Welcome to New Gadgets Review. In this video, we're highlighting top 5 exceptional multimeter testers available on AliExpress that stand out for their quality and performance. I've carefully selected these products based on their popularity, accuracy, durability, affordability, and user feedback. For more details, be sure to check the description section below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our future reviews. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ANENG A3005 Digital Multimeter Pen. The ANENG A3005 Digital Multimeter is a compact and professional tool designed for precision and convenience. With 4,000 counts and a pen-type design, it offers unmatched portability and ease of use. This advanced device is equipped to measure AC/DC voltage, resistance, and diode testing, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its non-contact voltage detection ensures safety during operation, while the auto-ranging feature simplifies complex measurements. The durable build and user-friendly interface make it reliable for long-term use. Whether you're troubleshooting electrical issues or performing routine maintenance, the ANENG A3005 combines accuracy, efficiency, and modern technology in a sleek package. Upgrade your toolkit with this versatile and essential multimeter. Number 2. ANENG A3006 Multimeters Pen. The ANENG A3006 Digital Multimeter is a versatile, professional pen-type tester perfect for electrical measurements and diagnostics. This compact tool can measure AC/DC voltage, resistance, ohm, and frequency, Hz, making it indispensable for electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. Its unique zero-fire line detection feature enhances safety, allowing for precise identification of live wires. The ergonomic pen design ensures portability and ease of use, while the digital display provides accurate readings at a glance. Durable and efficient, the A3006 is designed for reliable performance in various scenarios. Whether for home repairs or professional tasks, this multimeter delivers precision and convenience, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Number 3. ANENG VD807 Digital Voltage Detectors. The ANENG VD807 Digital Voltage Detector is a versatile and compact tool for electricians and DIY enthusiasts. Designed to detect AC voltage ranging from 24 volts to 300 volts, it ensures precision and safety with its non-contact voltage (NCV) technology. This portable tester pen doubles as a screwdriver, making it a multifunctional addition to your toolbox. Its bright indicator light provides clear results, while the ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling. Ideal for household and professional use, the ANENG VD807 is reliable for troubleshooting electrical systems or confirming live wires. Lightweight and easy to carry, this handy tool is perfect for on-the-go convenience and ensures safety in every electrical task. Number 4. ANENG A3008 Digital Multimeter. The ANENG A3008 Digital Multimeter is a state-of-the-art tool for accurate and efficient electrical testing. Featuring 6,000 counts and an intelligent sensor, it provides precise measurements for AC/DC voltage, resistance, and more. Its non-contact voltage detection ensures user safety, while the auto-ranging functionality simplifies complex tasks. Designed in a convenient pen-style format, this multimeter is portable and perfect for on-the-go professionals or DIY enthusiasts. The A3008 combines a user-friendly interface with durable construction, making it reliable for long-term use. Whether for professional maintenance or home repairs, this multimeter offers versatility and accuracy, ensuring you're equipped to handle any electrical task with ease. Number 5. ANENG VC1019 Red Laser Test Pen. The ANENG VC1019 Red Laser Test Pen is a cutting-edge voltage detector designed for accuracy and convenience. It offers a wide voltage detection range of 12 to 1000 volts with non-contact technology, ensuring maximum safety during use. Featuring a red laser indicator and a voice broadcast function, it provides real-time feedback, making electrical testing easier and more efficient. This lightweight and portable tool is perfect for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and home users alike. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic design enhances usability. Whether you're checking wiring or troubleshooting electrical issues, the ANENG VC1019 is a reliable and essential addition to your toolkit. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.